I remember when my mother would kiss me goodnight and tuck me in. We would pray together. I recall a day a stranger had told me to not let my smile fade when the world was prettier. Oh, my innocence is gone, and I feel the cold front on its way now. I remember when the devil on my shoulder told me there'd be a day where I might suffocate. Running fast, pressure's on, and I can barely breathe. I said goodbye to the days of playing hide and seek. Running fast, pressure's on, I need some air to breathe. Can't go back to the days of playing hide and seek. Yeah. I don't know when an enemy came by and planted an evil seed. Oh, if only I could find a way to rid the fear that's grown inside of me and taken over me. Oh, my innocence is gone, and my flame is going strong. Won't let it suffocate. Running fast, pressure's on, and I can barely breathe. I said goodbye to the days of playing hide and seek. Running fast, pressure's on, I need some air to breathe. Can't go back to the days of playing hide and seek. Yeah. Yeah. Suffocating. Let me go. I'm suffocating. I'm suffocating. I'm suffocating. Running fast, pressure's on, and I can barely breathe. I said goodbye to the days of playing hide and seek. Running fast, pressure's on, I need some air to breathe. Can't go back to the days of playing hide and seek. Running fast, pressure's on, and I can barely breathe. I said goodbye to the days of playing hide and seek. Running fast, pressure's on, I need some air to breathe. Can't go back to the days of playing hide and seek. I remember when my mother would kiss me goodnight and tuck me in. And we would pray together. I recall a day a stranger had told me to not let my smile fade when the world was prettier. Oh, my innocence is gone, and I feel the cold front on its way now. I remember when the devil on my shoulder told me there'd be a day where I might suffocate. Running fast, pressure's on, and I can barely breathe. I said goodbye to the days of playing hide and seek. Running fast, pressure's on, I need some air to breathe. Can't go back to the days of playing hide and seek. Yeah.
Explanation of my space. So this is what you see once you walk in through the door. Once you walk in through the door, there's one thing that I don't like. I don't like people leaving their shoes outside the door, and I also don't like having shoes all over the place. So I have this small space below my closet. This is where we place shoes once you walk in. These are the shoes that these are the shoes that I had on yesterday. These are the open shoes that I wear when walking out. And as you can see, I'm in clocks, and then just right by the door is my socket, and there is a beautiful key holder for the house so that I don't misplace my keys. This is the curtain that you've seen, guys, and opposite this beautiful mirror over here is another mirror. So basically what I'm planning to do with this mirror, I'm planning to get spray paint and spray this part white. If you would want to see that DIY project, let me know. I'll be thrilled to carry you through as I do that. So basically, once you walk into my space, these are the things that you see. You walk in, see my carpet. I have this PVC. If your house is cold, you need to have this PVC. So this is my living space. As you can see, I have 2 plastic chairs and an office seat, a table, a flower just for a centerpiece, and there goes my couch. And the couch, I've covered it with that Masai Shuka because that's what I use when I want to cover up when it's cold. This is a carpet that I got. It was thrifted. I didn't like the shop ones because the shop ones, after some time, the fluff doesn't feel as soft and as nice as you want it to feel over time. This is my jug that I used to boil water. I was boiling water before filming this. That's my laptop. And over here I have this wall where I have displayed some of my pictures. I'm planning to fill this wall with portraits, but as I do that, I want to change this wallpaper to a color that is closer to this, so it's a little bit brighter, and so that my space is brighter too. And then yeah, I might show you that. Then there we go. So that's my living space. The next thing that you will see in my house directly from the door is my kitchen area. And my kitchen area, there is a balcony door. There's a balcony on the other side though. There's a door that leads to that balcony. So here we have a water dispenser, a table that I use for more working surface and also for holding stuff. That's my lunch for today. That's my tray for eggs. It's empty for now, but I'm planning to fill it up once I get my eggs from my lady. And then there is my sink. I've soaked the kitchen towel for cleaning. That's the window. There goes the pantry on top. And let me give you a full view of the kitchen area. There's my gas cylinder. I store my utensils below the sink because we don't have cabinets below the sink. So I got those utensil racks. As you can see, there's another one below there. And under this table, it's also there's also storage. So that's why I got this cover for my table, because I didn't want everyone walking in and seeing everything that is happening down there. So there where I have my groceries, my other utensils like sufurias and all that is cooking pots, and I got it to match with my shear to the kitchen. And so as you can see, there are other apartments on the other end. We don't want people to film other people. So that is my balcony. It's just an open space, so I'm not going to be showing you that. Directly from the kitchen we have my bathroom. My bathroom is just some simple space. I was warming water for some cleaning, so that's why I have that that pail over there with water. So there is more water that I'm still warming. So basically this is how my bathroom looks. Nothing fancy, just the obvious. That's the door. And so after that, I'm going to be showing you behind by the seat is where I have my closet. Just as you come in, that's why the mirror is over there to cover up the closet, so that once everyone walks in through the door, the first thing you see are not my clothes. So that's why the closet is covered up. So those are my clothes. Over the closet, that's where I store my handbags, as you can see. And then behind the couch is my sleeping area, or my, what I call it, my relaxing area. That's my bed. So there goes my bed, like so. I have that wall that I have filled with stickers because I felt it was too plain. And if you know me, you know that I don't love plain walls and I'm a girly girl. So I have that mosquito net that I always put it down during the night. And then this thing, they glitter at night, like they glow. Sorry, not glitter, they glow at night. So that's it. And then at the foot of my bed is my shoe rack and what I would call my dressing table. We are manifesting a dressing table by the time we are doing the next video. So there would be my dressing table. This is my shoe rack with shoes. You've already seen that. And then here is this wall that I have over here. So this wall, it was too plain, so I had to get something for it. So let me show you a better view. So this is how the wall looks. So that's all about my space. So we are manifesting a dressing table and a standalone cooker for my kitchen area, or a bigger kitchen, because everything is possible so long as you work for it. So let me give you a 360 view of my space. So we start from the kitchen. Like that.